Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to make a beautiful website using heights and then width. So I want to show you here this text how to you can resize to give a good size, height and width to make your website look perfect and look professional. So I want to show you step by step you are going to do it, and just in this short tutorial I want to show you only width and then height how you can do it. So and then you come to here in HTML file, you come to the div here, because guys you see here this is our text inside the div, and then inside the div, so let's give to background color, guys, background color, let's say it blue, and then come to height, we want to give to 200 pixel, and then with width uh, let's give to 50%, and also guys you can change to pixel. Okay, so this depends on you how the way you design your website. And then if you want to give to padding, also you can give to 0%, and or also margin, guys you give margin top, margin left, or to giving auto, whatever you want. So you saved, and then go to in HTML here, and then go to right click, and then to go to browser. You can see your website there, and it looks perfectly. So don't forget guys, like and subscribe to see you in my next tutorial, because you will never forget miss one of my tutorials. Bye for now.